All of us here have faced many challenges in 2021, and I am thankful for all of the things we were able to achieve together. I am thankful that we were able to light up more homes with one of the lowest rates in the country. That we strengthened and continue to strengthen the reliability of our system. We are even making sure we can handle the needs of the future. Throughout the struggle, we have put people first by understanding their needs. Beyond all of that, we promised to do more. I am thankful for all of you for your hard work, for your enthusiasm, and for your compassion. 2021 showed us what we can achieve with the Ilonggo heart and bayanihan. 2021 was a small step to a brighter future from the pandemic. Here's to taking a big leap in 2022 together. Happy New Year!